Hey guys, so hope you all are safe and fine in your house during the COVID-19 outbreak. So I would like to thank all the organizers for this cooking competition who let me participate in this. Let me introduce myself. I'm Prem and I'm 11 years old. I love cooking as it is my hobby. Since I got to learn from more than 100 chefs in India and abroad. So today I'm going to be making a really nice fudgy moist chocolate cake. It's really tasty and really nice. Plus it's very easy also, and you can make it in the microwave or gas. So the thing is that I did a little research and I found out what makes it sweet and what makes it sour and all. How do we put each ingredient separately? So now let's take a look at the ingredients. So let's go.
Start.
So here I took 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of milk. It depends upon what you use. If it's a thick batter, you have to add more milk. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, you can add 2 teaspoons of oil, half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a cup for mixing, a microwavable cup, chocolate. It's 100% optional. I use 50% dark compound chocolate, a spoon, a knife and a whisk to mix it. Now let's make the cake. So now I'm taking some flour. I'm just gonna add a flour in 1 cup. I added the flour. Now I'm gonna take the sugar. So first we mix the dry ingredients. Sugar. I used granulated sugar, that means crystallized sugar. You can use any sugar. The baking soda, baking powder, little more of baking powder, some cocoa powder, and some. Okay, so now this is for the dry ingredients. We are going to mix it. Thoroughly mix it guys, because that will be. So now I'm going to take in some oil and I'm going to add it in the mixture. Some oil. Oil gives a good moist to the cake, so it will taste really nice. Okay. Now I'm going to take milk, add little by little to avoid lumps. Like that. So guys, if you get a mixture this thick, you have to add a little more milk, not too much, just a little more. Thoroughly mix it. Okay, so now we'll put this in a microwave cup. Don't add too much guys, or else it will spill. Guys, and don't forget to grease the cup. So I added some batter here, not too much. And now I'll put this in the microwave and I'll see. And how can we forget our favorite chocolate? So I use 50% dark so that it won't be too sweet. 50% dark compound chocolate from Cadbury Bonville. So I'm just going to open it. Okay. So I'm just going to take one knife. Take a butter knife. Be careful during this. Just take a butter knife and take some and put it in that. Okay, so I'm just going to continue this so that the cake will be really chocolatey and fudgy. And if you use dark chocolate, you get the advantage that the thing won't be too sweet also. So suppose you don't like sweet cakes and all, you can just use this. Okay, so now enough chocolate. I'm just going to keep. And let me just whisk it once more, mix it nicely. Okay, now let's go to the microwave and do it. So now this is the microwave. I'm going to put it in. If you don't have, you can put it in the gas also for 40 minutes. But in the microwave, only put it for 1 minute. So I'm just gonna switch it on. So guys, I'll see you after 1 minute. The cake looks like it's ready. It's almost done. So it's done right now. Let's see the cake. And wow, it's puffed up so nicely, guys. So guys, let it wait for some seconds and then you take it out with a tissue. Don't do it with direct hands as it will burn your hands. So guys, look at this. It's so delicious. So guys, now what will I do? So guys, now look at this cake. It's all ready and look at it. It looks so good. I just inverted in a plate. You can eat it like that only. But now the main thing which matters, it might seem so good, but the presentation matters. Like how you present it. So now I'm just gonna take some icing sugar and some chocolate and I'm gonna decorate it. I just took some icing sugar. I'm just gonna like powder it everywhere. Okay, little more. Guys, since we added graduated sugar, it won't be mixed that nicely. So we have to add a lot of powdered sugar. Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna take some chocolate bar cubes. See? Okay. Now I'm just gonna take one and stuff it in. 1, 2. And guys, that's it. Our beautiful cake is ready. It looks really nice and hope you all enjoy it. So guys, stay safe, stay at your house and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Superboy League, and I'll see